Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing of something that I saw online that I liked a lot and I'd like to share with you. This is done from resin. The guy that makes these is called Resin Art YPC. Let's get started. Let's just start off. It's really well packaged, so you're not gonna have any damage. I'm gonna open this little bag that comes with it, and this is the art. This is the resin. Let me just open it up completely and you can see it. It does come with a connection, and this is the resin, guys. I did pick this one. It's real nice. These are all made by hand by the artist. Real nice. It does have a light. I will turn it on right now so that you can see it. He has a lot of real nice art that you can get. Let me just turn it on, connect it, turn it on so that you can see it. And there it is. It does have a light. You can see it right there. This is it's underwater. It's giving the illusion that it's underwater, and there is a diver in there that's looking at Christ. Beautiful work. Here's the back. And what's on the little packet is just how to take care of it, how to clean it, and a thank you note. There it is. There it is. Now, if you want to check out what else he has a lot of good stuff, guys. Everything's in the description below, okay? Right there also, that's his website. Go ahead and hit him up. Tell him Far Away sent you. You're going to love it, guys. This is a real nice, it can be a gift. It can be for you. It can be for whoever, but he has a lot of them, a lot of different types. This is what I chose. I love it. And this is it. All right, guys, thank you. Please tell them that Far Away sent you. And like always, God bless.